Hey guys, it's Lucy Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you 3 colourful eyeliner looks using the UCANBE free set metallic eyeliner, which I was kindly gifted by them. So before we get into the video, definitely hit the subscribe button for weekly content. My Instagram is @itslucykate. And let's begin the video. I did a video recently where I introduced the eyebrow stamp stencil kit by UCANBE. That was also gifted by them, and it really is an easy way to do your brows. I'm actually using it today. You can literally do your brows in like 30 seconds. And they also sent me this free set of eyeliners. So when it comes to eyeliner, I usually just go for like a classic black wing look. So I don't really use colorful eyeliner on my own on a daily basis. So this is like literally my first time trying out colorful eyeliner by myself outside of a photo shoot. So I came up with 3 different looks. So the first one is a silver eyeliner look, the second is a blue eyeliner look, and the third is a purple eyeliner look. So let's begin with the silver eyeliner. This is the inspo pick for the first look. So I want to do like just regular brown eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow, black wing eyeliner, and some silver on top. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn palette, and we're just going to take this shade right here. So this is the shade is called Silk Cream, and we're just going to use that and place it all over the lid. After that, I will apply some black wing eyeliner, and then we will do some silver eyeliner on top. Just completed the first look and I am so in love with this. Like, wow. Okay, it went out better than I expected. Like, the silver is so cute. Like, just without the silver, like, it's still a cute, you know, basic look, but the silver just gives it this really cute pop of color, and I am so in love with it. And I don't want to take off my makeup. Like, I have 2 more looks to do, but I love this. So I'm gonna need to take some selfies before I move on to the next look. And the lipstick I used was also a UCANBE lipstick. This is the shade number 3 in the Ladies Night Liquid Matte collection. It includes 6 matte lipsticks, and they are really good quality. They don't transfer at all, and they last really long. They each come with a lip liner. So I am so impressed with this. Like, the eyeliner went on really smoothly, didn't smudge. So this is the first look. We will move on to the second eyeliner, which is the blue one. So I removed my makeup and we are here for the second eyeliner look. Just to let you guys know, it was super easy to remove the eyeliner. I tried to keep all my face makeup intact, seeing as we're going to be continuing doing these looks. So the second eyeliner look is going to be a blue eyeliner. For this, I'm not going to do black wing eyeliner. This is the look that I'm going to go for. So no black wing eyeliner, literally just this. So I could technically use the Jaclyn palette, but just to switch things up, I'm going to use the Lilo and Stitch and Wet n Wild collab eyeshadow palette. I did do a review of this on my YouTube about 6 months ago, so I'll link that down below. And we are going to be using the top 2 shades on the left. So the shade names are Pudge and Laid Back. Yeah, so this is Pudge and this is Laid Back. So we're going to apply Laid Back all over the lid, and it does have some shimmer inside it. And for inner corner highlight and for the tear duct, I'm going to be using this shade. Then we will apply the blue eyeliner, I'll reapply some mascara, and that will be the second look. So this is the second eyeliner look. It is complete and I am very happy with the results, but I will have to say that I was kind of expecting the blue to be a little more of like a navy blue, a darker blue. But when I applied it, as you can see, it's a pretty it's like an icy blue. I mean, I like the result. It's just I was expecting it to be like a, you know, block blue kind of thing. But it's actually a very icy toned one. And it was so easy to apply, like literally doesn't smudge at all. And I just used the same lipstick this time as well. So this is the UCANBE in the shade number 3. I kept the same lipstick on. Although I was expecting it to be like a more darker blue, I will have to say that this is more of like an easy colorful look for someone like me that isn't used to doing colorful graphic eyeliners. This is probably a good way to start, you know, getting used to color eyeliners instead of black or brown. So I do really like it, and I think it's easier to use on an everyday basis. So again, I'm going to take some pictures before I take off this makeup, and then we will move on to the third and final look. So the third and final look is going to be a cute purple look, so I'm really looking forward to trying it out. The last final look is going to be a cute purple look, and for this look I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and the eyeshadow is just going to be really simple, sparkly, cutesy vibes. So we're going to use these two shades right here. So we're going to use this one, which is called Sissy. We're going to apply Sissy all over the lid, and then we're just going to use Faint in the tear duct. And then we will apply the purple eyeliner, mascara, and then I'll add some pink lipstick. So this is the third and final look for my colourful eyeliners, and the last one was kind of like a cutesy kind of look, and I just used the UCANBE Liquid Matte colour in shade number 1. So I am taking this on the next day, but I really like it. The application was so smooth, so I definitely recommend these eyeliners, and I definitely want to try out some regular black eyeliners too from UCANBE. So if you liked any of these products that I used, I will link them all down below. And let me know which eyeliner look you like the best. So that is the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for weekly content. Bye guys!